To cover the third part, let us solve problem 7 from worksheet 3. The population is all the women drivers. A sample of 1,160 women were selected, among which 754 said that they used the seatbelt, which leads to a percentage in the sample of 65%, as asked in the question A. Question B. To estimate pi, which is the proportion for the population, we have two ways. Either we use a point estimate or a confidence interval for pi. The point estimate for pi is p itself. If we want to estimate the population proportion or the population percentage using one single number, it would be best to use 0.65 or 65%. While if we want to construct the confidence interval, we will be using the following formula. To find z, we draw a normal curve with two tails. The error will be divided into 2.5 on each tail. To get the area from the mean to z, we subtract 2.5 from 50% and we get 47.5%. We go to the z table and search for 0.475. We get a z value of 1.96. Substituting it in the formula will lead to a margin of error of 0.0027, which we add and subtract from the sample proportion. Pi would fall between 0.623 and 0.677, or between 62.3% and 67.7%. We have two ways to interpret this result. We are 95% sure that the true proportion of the population falls between these two values, or about 95% of similarly constructed interval would include the population proportion. In question C, we would answer no, because 70% does not fall inside the confidence interval.